Ang sagutan ni Cynthia Villar at Risa Honteveros sa usaping pabahay na uwi sa Bukinga. Ito panoorin natin.
Condominium. Sila rin mismo ang titira doon. So it's in
Hindi nga nila
obedience pa rin.
ma-afford eh.
That's where this comes in, Mr. President.
Hindi nila ma-afford eh.
Yun
That's
yung,
the problem.
Yun po.
Why will you insist on building them condominiums when you can distribute the land to them 500 a month lang? Ang babayaran nila. Why will you insist on building condominium? Dahil kikita ka doon sa contractor ng condominium na may porsyento ka doon, kaya pinag-i-insist mo yung condominium. O bakit nyo ini-insist ang condominium? Payag naman yung mahihirap na i-distribute na lang yung land sa kanila, and that's 500 a month.
Mr. President, kung naalala po ng good gentlewoman last year, sinimulan na nating i-advocate dito sa floor na to at nagbukas ang DSUD doon na yung dinedevelop nila noong 4PH program, wala pa po yung usapin ng government guarantee, ay maging bukas na i-implement in tandem sa mga proven na programa na sinusuportahan natin tulad ng CMP.
They're promoting that, and I don't think that's practical.
That
That's
is
why I'm questioning you para mag-isip kayo uli kung tama yung ginagawa nyo. Kasi nakalagay sa mandate nyo to help the poor and the homeless. But the poor and the homeless cannot afford a condominium. Why not distribute the land under the community mortgage program na 500 a month lang ang ano nila? Ba't ayaw nyo nun? Katulad namin, itong inyong NHA, some of the people na homeless sa amin along the River Drive na hindi naman pwedeng ibigay sa kanila yung easement ng ilog. They are being relocated to Nai. Ang ano doon, no down payment, 700 ang hulog, townhouse. O, mas better pa yon kesa magtayo ka ng condominium sa Las Piñas, tapos hindi naman ma-afford ng mga tao. Saan mo dadalhin yung mga tao? O, paaalisin nyo doon sa lupa, tatayuan nyo ng kondo. Saan nyo dadalhin yung hindi kayang magbayad sa kondo? O, di homeless na naman yon. Hindi ba unfair sa kanila? Pinaalis mo doon sa lupa na tinatayuan nila, tatayuan mo ng kondo, tapos ibibigay mo sa middle class, tapos yung mga mahihirap, wala na naman bahay. You have to reconsider what you're doing. I think it's wrong.
Yes, Mr. President. I think sa tulong ng Senado, dito sa mga budget plenaries natin, naisusulong natin yon. Hindi lang yung reconsideration, pero yung redesigning din mismo ng 4PH program.
I think we have done the community mortgage program in
Yes.
Las Piñas for I think 30 years, and it's very successful. We just give them the land. They don't want the condominium. They just want to have a land to build their houses on. And if they cannot build nice houses today, they'll just try to earn so that in the future they can build houses in the land. But what they want is the land. That they will not be hindi sila magigibado sa land where they are staying now, and they're willing to pay for the land. Why don't we do that? Why do we have to build condominiums on their lands which they cannot afford?
Yes, Mr. President. If I may, I think